welcome to the YouTube channel for Colombo Collection. This is the Smith Corona Sterling that's currently for sale. There are a lot of pictures on the process that it went through. It's been completely refurbished. It's cleaned inside and out. It's really in mint condition. It's a great machine. It has great patina. Please check out the pictures for all the work that's been done. That'd be a great addition to anyone's home. So we're just going to type on it really quick so you can see that everything's functioning and enjoy your shopping. Ding, goes right on. Enjoy, it's a beautiful piece.